I was recently on Korean news for a few seconds for trying Trader Joe's kimbap, and my mom was like, why is that kimbap so popular? Let me make a much better kimbap. She's probably made over 10,000 kimbap rolls in her life, packing lunchboxes for our family, events, and our friends. And she wanted to make this version a little bit more American for our American audience, so she used tuna or anchovies for protein, carrots, red pepper, lettuce, eggs, and avocado. She has a few non-negotiable rules when making kimbap, and one of them is using freshly cooked rice. You cannot fuck with day-old rice for this. She seasons it with a little bit of salt and sesame oil. She also always packs it with a ton of ingredients. This is her version of eating the rainbow. Avocado is also not a very common ingredient in kimbap. I've also never really had it growing up, but we're doing it for our American audience. And another thing that she says is very important is in the way you roll. You have to make sure to roll with the ends of your fingers, then press as you roll and top it off with sesame oil. It's super healthy and delicious, but I told her there's a reason why Trader Joe's is $4 and yours probably costs 5 times the price.